Alright guys, welcome to MVP Success Club. Grabe, ito na yun guys. Ito na yung pinakamagandang opportunity na pwede mong i-engage this time. No? Kumbaga talagang ito po, proven formula for success. I-share natin po ito sa lahat. And hindi lang po ito financially wise. This is also for health and lifestyle. So this is a very short presentation and I'm sending this to qualified individuals only. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga kilala ko talaga na kayang gawin ito at the same time, hindi na kailangan pang i-mindset sa industriya na papasukin natin. So dito po, no? Welcome to MVP Lifestyle Rewards. And lahat tayo dito, if you are watching this video, I know and you know, di ba, that we all know that network marketing really is a great vehicle for success. Ibig sabihin natin guys, alam nyo na po talaga na maraming umaasenso sa mundo ng network marketing. We've seen it all. Diba? We've seen a lot of people achieving financial freedom throughout this opportunity. Pero ang tanong dyan, bakit 97% pa rin ng populasyon ng industriya na to ang nag-i-struggle? Okay? Minsan, di ba? Kulang lang talaga sa tamang guidance, at the same time, tamang formula on how to achieve yung talagang pinapangako ng industriya na to na yung sinasabi nilang payaman ka. Okay? So, in this video, I will show to you the formula on how this opportunity transformed my life. Anyway guys, my name is Jeffrey Perez. Baka sakaling mapanood mo ito, may pasa sa'yo ng isa sa mga kakilala ko. Isa po ako sa mga naging top earners ng aming company. So ako po ay 15 years na sa industry and I've achieved a lot of milestones throughout this opportunity. Nakabili na po ako ng sarili kong bahay, mga kotse, nakapag-travel sa iba't ibang lugar, and many more. No? So dito po, i-share namin sa inyo how you too, ikaw din, maa-achieve din tong ganitong klaseng success. Okay? So ang mission po ng MVP Lifestyle Rewards or yung MVP Success Club is to create, yung vision po nito, no? To create a group of people who are constantly achieving. Okay? Kumbaga dito, we have the guaranteed rewards formula na kung saan talagang ikaw mismo, ikaw may enjoy mo yung lifestyle, may enjoy mo yung income, may enjoy mo yung talagang pagbabago ng buhay mo if you do this opportunity, no? So, everyone will be rewarded, walang hindi. Lahat ng sasali dito, guaranteed yung resulta. Everyone will be rewarded, not a single member will be left behind. Okay? So ito po, hindi lang hindi ka magi-struggle, tapos ang gagawin mo lang, very simple task lang siya, and you will achieve your roadmap, di ba? Yung exact roadmap on how you can achieve yung financial success. No? Ang mission natin dito this 2024 guys, the mission of MVP Lifestyle Rewards is to create 1,000 millionaires this 2024. 1,000 car achievers and 1,000 lifestyle and travel achievers, and that is only the first wave. Syempre guys, no? Hindi naman instant yung success, pero we will make sure na this 2024 maraming magkakaresulta throughout this formula. Okay? So kung ikaw yung nanonood nito, especially kung ikaw yung nauna nanonood nito, is ikaw yung pinaka magbe-benefit dito kasi nga ikaw pa lang yung makakaalam ng formula. So yung 1,000 na yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Next batch po niyan, 1,000, 2,000 ulit, and so on. Okay? So dito po sa MVP Success Club, you will enjoy the lifestyle. Yun muna, kumbaga dapat maramdaman mo na maraming pagbabagong mangyayari sa iyo. Ibig sabihin, you are going to go out of your comfort zone, di ba? Kung dati nasa bahay ka lang or dati nasa trabaho ka lang magdamag, dito, may enjoy mo yung lifestyle. Okay? 100% of the members will be achieving lifestyle rewards. Walang hindi. Okay? Sa ibang opportunity kasi talaga, piling-pili lang. O yung mga nasa tuktok lang, yung mga talagang nakaka-experience ng pagbabago sa buhay nila. Pero dito po, sa MVP Success Club, 100% of the members is makaka-achieve talaga ng lifestyle rewards. Okay? Walang maiiwan. Kumbaga dito talaga, jajampakin natin yung mga tao magkakaresulta dito. The rewards get more exciting, but the purpose of this is to be part of a community of constantly delivering results and constantly achieving success. Kumbaga lahat dito talaga, hatakan pataas, hatakan paangat lahat na mga magjo-join dito sa MVP Success Club. So if you want success, ito na po. proceed na tayo. Sabihin mo po sa video, I want success. I-comment mo dyan kung saan mo napapanood yung video na ito, di ba? I want success. Dito po, guys, no? We have only one goal. One goal and one task, no? Kumbaga dito, hindi na masyadong kailangan ng napakaraming training. Hindi na kailangan ng napakaraming attend ka ng mga sandamukal na mga mind setting, training, company profile, product presentation, di ba? At kung ano-ano pang explanation ng compensation plan. Isang task lang ang gagawin mo and you're done. Okay? Yun po yung kagandahan sa formula na ito, no? Isang task lang, pag nagawa mo yun, tapos ka na. Ngayon, we will present you the task right now. If you cannot do the task, then by all means, huwag ka nang mag-engage. Okay? No? Very simple task. Kung hindi mo kayang gawin yung task na yon, huwag ka nang mag-engage. Huwag ka nang sumali, huwag ka nang mag-join. But if you can do this one task, ang nag-iintay sa iyong income is 7 million pesos. Okay? Yes, guys, 7 million pesos. And ito po, estimated time frame nito, guys, is hindi po years, no? You don't need to spend 15 years like me para ma-achieve yung financial success. Dito po, ang estimated time frame 6 months lang. Okay, 6 months lang. Okay? Napakabilis lang po niyan at isang task lang yung gagawin natin. Okay? Dito po, ang ating buy-in rate is 8,990. So hindi siya mura, hindi rin siya sobrang mahal. Kung ang nag-aantay naman sa iyo is 7 million, what is 8,990? Okay? Kagandahan dyan, guys, you will also be receiving package, no? May magkakaroon ka ng package na makakatulong din po sa buhay mo, no? Ang kagandahan dyan, when you buy in, when you join the program, automatically meron ka ng agad lifestyle reward. Ano ba yun, di ba? Yan, MVP Lifestyle Reward, makaka-receive ka na agad ng Wensha Spa. Ibig sabihin, magsisimula na agad yung lifestyle business mo. Ibig sabihin yan, mababago na agad yung takbo ng buhay mo kasi nga, makakasama mo yung mga katulad mo na magjo-join din sa opportunity na ito at maniniwala sa formula at gagawin yung mga specific task na yun. Okay? Hindi po ito investment, guys. This is not an investment. We are not offering a guaranteed income, di ba? Kagandahan dito, yung 8,990 pesos na yan, may kapalit yan na product. Ano yung produkto natin, di ba? Ang product po natin is the 30 days detox program. So for 30 days, sabi ko nga po sa simula, hindi lang po yung financial aspect, pati po yung health aspect natin. Ibig sabihin, tutulungan ka namin maging maganda yung iyong kalusugan in 30 days. Ano ba yung gagawin natin in 30 days, di ba? We will be having the first assessment for you, di ba? Kung ikaw ay may karamdaman, may nararamdaman kang kakaiba sa katawan mo, or you just want to be healthy, di ba? We will check your health and assess kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin for the 30 days detox program. And then, next po yung orientation. Ituturo po namin sa inyo yung dapat mong gagawin for the next 30 days para maging healthy ka. And lastly, yung supplementation. Okay, so yun po yung gagawin natin. Ibig sabihin, malusog ka na, healthy ka na, meron ka pang kikitaing malaki. Okay? So yung produktong kapalit na makukuha mo is worth 10,500 pesos. So kumbaga, para maramdaman mo na risk-free itong papasukin mo, may produktong kapalit siya na more than pa doon sa nilagay mong pera. Okay? Yung sabihin nan, risk-free kasi nga, sulit na sulit actually. Kung talagang super healthy ka naman, you don't need a detox program, just sell the products. And if you sell the products, it's worth 10,500. So wala ka nang ni-risk na pera. Okay? Risk-free, guys, no? So kagandahan dito, guys, is you will achieve the two of the most important aspects in life. Ano yun? Ang pinaka-importanteng aspeto sa buhay natin. Health, of course, dapat number 1 yan. And also the wealth. No? Be part of a community with people who forces you to be healthy and to be wealthy as well. Ibig sabihin, lahat na makakasama mo sa opportunity na ito, gusto kang maging healthy at the same time, gusto ka rin yumaman. Okay? So, very simple explanation. Ano ba yung task na gagawin, di ba? Yan, napakasimpleng task lang po. You only need to complete one task and you're done. Okay? Very simple. Diba? Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, if you cannot do this task, might as well you don't need to engage in our opportunity. Pero kung ikaw naman yung taong kaya naman gawin yung one task na ito, and then baka mamaya baka nga mag-overqualify ka pa. Baka mas marami pang makuha mo or ma-achieve mo sa isang task na to. 'Di ba? Baka makagawa ka ng 2 or more tasks dito. And mas malaki pa yung makukuha mo kapag ka talagang overqualified ka. Okay? So ano ba yung task na yan, Sir Jeff, di ba? Ano ba yung talagang kailangan namin gawin para ma-achieve yung financial success na yan, at the same time yung health na rin, di ba? Ito na po guys, no? So napakahirap po nito. Alam nyo ba? Sobrang hirap gawin. Pero kung isipin mo, ito yung task, no? The only task that you will do in this opportunity is to find people, 4 people to join, no? So 4 na tao na kaya ring mag-buy-in ng 8,990 pesos. So, ang tanong, kaya mo bang gawin yung task na yan? Okay? Ang gagandahan dito, di ba? Yung 4 na yan na mapapasali mo, lahat din sila sasama sa'yo sa Wensha Spa. Di ba? Ano ba yung Wensha Spa na yan, guys? Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, guys, yung Wensha Spa is a luxurious spa na pupunta tayo sa isang spa, no, na meron po siyang unlimited buffet, meron po siyang sauna, meron siyang steam bath, meron po siyang jacuzzi, and meron siyang talagang tambayan na maganda, lounge area, and we will be having a 1-hour massage. Then meron din po siyang unlimited shabu-shabu and buffet, no? Kumbaga, again, sabi ko nga po sa inyo, you will get out of your comfort zone and you will join other people and experience the lifestyle, no? So 4 na tao lang, guys, no? Napakaganda niyan. At the same time, yung 4 na yan will also do their 30 days detox program. So 4 na kayo na magiging healthy, 5 na kayo, 'di ba? Kasama ka kasi. 5 kayo na magiging healthy, at the same time constantly achieving results, no? So, alam nyo ba, guys, na yung power of 4 na yan, studies show na lahat ng tao may kakilala na hanggang 4. 4 of your inner circle na tinatawag. Imagine, 4 of your friends will be earning millions, traveling to Singapore and traveling into a luxurious cruise. All of 4 of your friends will release a new car or an SUV or a sports car. They will be called as your core group. Ibig sabihin dito, tuturuan namin kayo magkaroon ng kanya-kanya nyo pong core group. Okay? Everyone will be achieving, no one will be left behind. Bakit no one will be left behind? Sabi ko nga po, pinifilter na agad natin dito yung mga qualifications kung sino yung mga may kayang gawin ng task na papagawa natin. So, kung hindi nyo kayang gawin yung task, di ba? Huwag na kayo mag-engage. Kumbaga dito, nag-create tayo ng community, ng mga organization, ng mga goal-driven. Ibig sabihin, may drive. Yung gutom sa success, yung talagang gusto maging successful, no? So, if you have doubts, if you have hesitation, simple lang po, wag na kayo mag-join. Hindi naman sa ano, no? Ang hinahanap namin talaga dito, yung willing at talagang desidido. And besides, ang gagawin lang naman na task, isa lang naman, and tapos na. Diba? You just need to enjoy the lifestyle over and over and over again. Okay? So, ito po yung ma-achieve natin, no? So, pagka-buy-in mo pa lang, yan, sasama-sama tayo sa isang spa, di ba? Magkukwentuhan tayo, we will get to know you better, di ba? Share mo yung background mo, magkakakilanlan kayo ng mga kapwa mo na mga nag-buy-in din. Siyempre, kagandahan dyan, kapag kasama mo na yung 4 mo na din, pero kung wala ka pang 4, okay lang, ikaw na muna, sumama ka na muna for the first batch so that you can meet the team, okay? So, after mo mag-buy-in and you complete your first task, yan, di ba? Ikaw ito. So, na-complete mo na yung first task mo, which is yung maka-4 ka. You will also be rewarded with compensation. Magkano yung compensation na yun? That is more than what you paid for sa buy-in mo, no? Magkano? 11,200. 11,200, guys. Tapos, hindi lang 11,200 yan. May pocket money ka na. Bawiin mo na yung pera mo, di ba? Kumbaga, 8,990 lang yung pinasok mo, pero you earn for the first task na ginawa mo, you will also be having lifestyle reward of Azure Staycation. Grabe, guys, di ba? Ibig sabihin nun, after nung first batch natin, nag-Wenchas pa na tayo, magkakasama na tayo, di ba? Then, ikaw, mag-a-Azure staycation naman. So Azure staycation is an overnight sa isang Boracay-inspired or Maldives-inspired, di ba? Magandang beach hotel siya sa may Parañaque, BF, di ba? Bikutan, di ba? Mag-stay tayo doon for one night and then we will brainstorm, we will again enjoy the lifestyle dito po sa ating MVP Success Club. Okay? So, kumita ka na ng 11,200 just by completing your first task, then may lifestyle reward ka pa na Azure Staycation. Okay? Next, ano ba yun? Second level. Paano ba ma-achieve yung second level reward na yan? Simple lang po. Yung mga nag-first level mo, yung 4, if they complete their task, di ba? Ano ba ang task ng bawat isa na yan? Makahanap sila ng 4, di ba? Yung 4 na yan, pag na-complete nila yung task na yan, you will also be rewarded with a cash money for the second level of 20,800 pesos. Okay? Kagandahan doon guys, no? Yung bawat isa na yan, kumita rin yan ng 10,200. No? So lahat sila nagkakaroon ng results at the same time nakakapag-win siya, and then kapag na-receive nila yung first task nila, natapos na yung first task nila, lahat yan mag-a-Azure staycation din. But ikaw na nakakomplete ng second level reward mo, you will be having an Okada staycation. Grabe guys, no? Okada staycation. So ito po, alam niyo naman po siguro yung casino na Okada, di ba? So again, you will be joining the achievers, your fellow achievers, and we will stay for one night sa Okada. Eh, kumbaga talagang ano na yan, talagang luxurious lifestyle na yan. Nasa casino ka na, magsa-swimming tayo doon sa Okada, magbe-brainstorm tayo doon, kakain tayo doon, di ba? Iba na talaga yung mangyayari sa'yo dyan. Okay? So, after, of course, hindi natatapos yan, second level, no? On the third level, paano ba ma-achieve yung third level reward na yan? Simple lang yan. Yung lahat ng nasa third level mo and the second level, di ba? Third level reward is all the second level completed their task. So, kumbaga, isang task lang yung gagawin, guys, eh. Yung maka-4 ka lang. Alam mo kung magkano kikitain mo for the third level reward? Nakapag-Wensha ka na, kumita ka na ng 10,000, nakapag-Azure ka pa, nakapag-Okada ka pa, and for the third level, you will be earning 83,200 pesos. Grabe, di ba? So, dyan pa lang, talagang third level pa lang. Kumbaga, ang time frame natin dito is third month pa lang. Sobrang daming activity na ginagawa mo dyan. And you are meeting a lot of people na katulad mo, success-driven din. Ito pa malupit. If you achieve the third level, di ba? Lahat yung mga yan, nag-Wensha na rin, yung iba nag-Azure na rin, yung iba nag-Okada na rin, di ba? You will be having a lifestyle reward of Boracay 3 days, 2 nights. Okay? So, hindi na sa Metro Manila yan, guys. We will be flying to Boracay together with your fellow achievers na naka-achieve ng third level nila. Mag-stay tayo doon for 3 days and 2 nights. We will be having as a little team building na mga activities doon sa Boracay. Libre ang plane ticket, libre ang hotel accommodation, may mga foods doon, di ba? Sasama ka na lang sa amin, and you just need to enjoy your life with the achievers. So nararamdaman mo na ba guys yung lifestyle, yung tinatawag na MVP Success Club. Ito po ay hindi po ito theory. This is a proven formula na ilang beses na po namin nagawa ito. Marami na nakapag-Boracay, marami na nakapag-staycation sa kung saan lugar. Ikaw lang ay sasama namin if you decide to join us. Okay? At of course, hindi naman natatapos sa third level yan. The fourth level. Here is where it gets more exciting. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi nga, kumita ka na ng first level, second level, third level, na-achieve mo na yung mga rewards doon, yung mga lifestyle rewards doon, and for the fourth level, you will be earning 332,800 pesos. Grabe guys. And ito pa malupit. For the fourth level, since you have earned 10,000, 20,000, 83,000, and 332,800, you will be now suggested and recommended to release your first car. Yes, guys, no? So, pwede ka na maglabas dyan ng mga ng kotse na gusto mo, no? Nire-recommend namin yung mga talagang crossover na car like yung M-Zoom, GAC M-Zoom, Geely Coolray, Ford Territory, di ba? Toyota, Yaris Cross, Changan, mga ganyan. Mga mag-range po ng 1 million to 1.5 million. So, ang down payment po nun, isi-share namin sa inyo. Kaya mo na siya mag-down payment dyan. You have the show money for your bank, di ba? Ma-approve ka na dyan. Ito pa malapit guys, no? May kotse ka na, di ba? Ikaw po ay magkakaroon pa ng lifestyle reward na free Singapore 3 days, 2 nights. Grabe, di ba? After Boracay, next month, may kotse kang bago, pupunta ka pa ng Singapore for 3 days and 2 nights, di ba? Again, with your fellow achievers, including the uplines, di ba? Yung mga core leaders sa taas, yung mga talagang mga grand uplines kasama mo sa lifestyle reward na yan, guys, di ba? So, grabe, 4th level pa lang tayo, guys, no? And for the 5th level, guys, ito naman. 5th level, paano ma-achieve yan? Simple lang, lahat ng 4th level mo ma-achieve yung task nila. Di ba? Again, we are building a community wherein we're not forcing anyone to join us. If you can do the first task, di ba? Engage. Pag hindi, don't engage. Ganun lang po yun. Filtered yung mga taong sasali. Yung mga driven, success-driven lang yung talagang may kakayanan na gawin tong negosyo na to. But for the 5th level, you will be earning 1.3 million pesos. Grabe. 5 buwan pa lang yan, guys. 5 buwan pa lang. Di ba? 5 buwan, di ba? And you will be having a lifestyle reward of Asian Luxury Cruise. Grabe, guys, no? Imaginein mo, we will be going on a luxury cruise. Iikot po yan ng Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, sakay ng isang napakalaking barko, di ba? And talagang grabe, rewarding yung experience yan. Libre lahat ng pagkain. I've been there so many times, di ba? Na-experience ko na yan. Sobrang talagang mind-blowing yung experience dyan. Okay? So guys, nasa 5th level pa lang tayo. If you reach 6th level, di ba? And all the 5th level completed their task, guys, baguhan na ng buhay talaga to, di ba? You can now buy whatever you want because you will be earning 5.3 million and you will be having, kumita ka na ng 5.3 million, bibigyan pa kita, no? Ng free lifestyle reward na 250,000 Louis Vuitton shopping spree. Grabe, guys, no? Ibig sabihin yan, guys, pupunta tayo ng Louis Vuitton or if ever na marami kayo, halimbawa 20 or 50 packs tayo, ipapa-private natin yung Louis Vuitton and lahat kayo magsha-shopping doon. Bilhin nyo lahat ng gusto nyo doon. Basta 250,000 po yan. Sagot ko lahat ng 250,000 Louis Vuitton shopping spree mo. Okay? So this is exclusive only, no? To MVP Success Club members. Ibig sabihin yan, this opportunity is open to everyone. May mga ibang teams outside of our company pero ito po ay wala sa ibang grupo. Sa atin lang po sa MVP ito ino-offer. Diba? Ibig sabihin, offered by yours truly, the founder of Team MVP, Mr. Jeffrey Perez. Diba? Ito po ay out of the pocket ko na i-share sa inyo para po talaga lahat tayo ma-achieve yung financial success na sinishare po natin dito. Kumbaga hindi tayo nagdadamot dito. We want you to feel the experience of a lifestyle business since from day one that you engage in our opportunity. Okay? So, ang total earnings mo dyan would be 7 million pesos for 6 months. Bakit 6 months? Yung task na gagawin mo is, kumbaga, doable siya for 1 month. So, for 30 days, you need to focus your attention to one task only. One task only. Di ba? Kailangan mo lang maka-4 na tao for the first 30 days. And if you do it, then you're done. Diba? You're done. Tapos ka na kaagad. Diba? Yung sabihin, wala ka na ibang kailangan gawin. And i-empower mo na lang yung mga napasali mo. You push them to do their task and then you will enjoy the benefits over and over and over again because this is only a one-time payment. Wala po itong renewal. Diba? Forever po. Lifetime po ang membership dito. In case it took you more than 1 month to achieve your first task, okay lang yan. Diba? Wala po itong deadline, wala po itong quota or anything. Ikaw bahala at your own pace. Ngayon, kung ikaw naman ay talagang veteran, magaling ka talaga, you achieve your first task on the first week or less than first week, 3 days lang, tapos mo na yung first task mo. Baka magawa mo to in just less than 6 months. Wala po itong deadline. Okay? So, first month, 4. May 11.2 ka na. Meron ka pang Azure Staycation. Second month, di ba? 16 packs, 20,800. Meron ka pang Okada Staycation. Third month, 64. 83,200. Boracay Station. Fourth month, 256 people. Singapore, may 300,000 ka pa. Fifth month, 1,000 people. Asian Luxury Cruise. And for the 6th month, 4,000 people. 5.3 million. Meron ka pang Louis Vuitton shopping spree. Overwhelming rewards, guys. Meron ka pang 7 million. Okay? So, disclaimer lang, guys. Dito po sa ating mga figures, hindi siya actual figures because we will have a safety net of 5th pair na tinatawag, no? So, yung iba dyan, gift certificate. Like, for example, 20,800, I think may 2 gift certificate dyan. So, the gross amount is 20,800, pero yung iba dyan, GC. But still, guys, no? Yan po talaga yung actual gross, di ba? So, magkano ba ang buy-in? 8,990. If you do this properly, di ba? It won't matter na kasi nga tuloy-tuloy na po yan, no? So, at the same time, guys, di ba? The purpose of this video is to let you experience yung lifestyle nga. No? So, ang mechanics po nito, guys, all qualifiers should purchase the package from me para po maano ko siya. Kumbaga yung 8,990 dapat sa akin po ipo-purchase yan, hindi po sa ibang distributors or sa ibang members kasi nga hindi ko marirecord po yung actual number of packs kung sa iba nyo siya bibilin. Okay? So, contact your uplines. Your uplines will purchase it from me. Di ba? And then, we will audit dito para po kailangan importante. Hindi naman ako mag-over spend sa inyo, guys. Kailangan kasi na ma-audit kayo ng tama. Pero maniwala kayo, guys, halos lahat ng kikitain ko dito, ibibigay ko rin for the lifestyle reward sa inyo dahil lahat kayo talaga is gusto kong ma-experience. At ang kagandahan dito, guys, hindi lang siya 6 months, no? Ibig sabihin, after 6 months, hindi natapos mo na yung goals mo, di ba? This will go for a lifetime business. And hindi ko na nalagay yung computation dyan, pero of course, it's overwhelming. You will be earning millions every month as soon as the community, the organization have the perfect mind, no? Kumbaga, unity, everyone moving in unison. One task only. Tuloy-tuloy po yan na magmumultiply pababa. Okay? And maniwala kayo, guys, hindi lang 7 million na nag-aantay sa'yo dito. You will be earning more and more as long as the opportunity is running. No, ito po. Ang kagandahan din dito, yung company na ating papasukan is a 15 years company na. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka na mag-worry kung ito po ay magsasara or magkakaroon ng problem sa government. Proven na po yung company for the longest time. Okay? So guys, if you are interested, contact the person who shared to you this video and let's start your success here in MVP Success Club. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jeffrey Perez. Guys, let's do this.